Man, I love looking at this thing. Ah, dang, it jump scared me. Hi guys, welcome back to another reaction. This video is for entertainment purposes only, but today we are reacting to YouTube Shorts, but I won't watch Chicken Gun Shorts this time. If it's better, I'll have to watch Chicken Gun Shorts anyway. Enough yap.
You could save your poop and
I hope Cool King doesn't look at my search history. I can do that too.
I know where you live.
I can't take this YouTube Shorts thing. Like and subscribe by, please. Hope I don't go therapy.